But as we speak, 0.25% gains for all the frontline indices. Bit of a fear of heights coming in for the Nifty bank after scaling the psychologically important 30,000 mark in early part of trade. The Nifty bank has come off the highs, close to around 100 odd points from the highs of the day, virtually dipping into the red as we speak, just about 22 points in the green for the Nifty bank. So what are the stocks that are taking it lower? Maybe pull up something like an ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, as well as SBI. All these stocks have the heavier weights on Nifty bank. There you have a bit of a niggle on ICICI Bank from the top. The mid-cap index too giving up some gains. But remember, we're seeing a huge rally from the start of this month for both the Nifty and the Nifty bank. Let's see how it pans out in the last part of trade. Hi, Nigel.
Hey, Mangalam. Just a few minutes back, Lada told me she's going to be buying me a drink, so I've not really looked at the market. I'm still dreaming about the evening. But as you said, well, it's a Friday. We have some green on the screen as well. Let's get started with the show. And in fact, later on the show, we'll get you a trading call as well as we'll pull in a couple of managements. The market opened strong today with the Nifty bank hitting a record high of around 30,000. Strong up move led by the likes of RBL Bank, Axis Bank and Yes Bank. The Sensex gains over 120 points with the Nifty holding about the 11,550 mark. The mid-cap trade in line.
Bharti Airtel makes it to the top Nifty gainers list. Stride releases January subscriber data. Airtel added 10 million broadband subscribers in the month versus 9 million by Jio and 2 million by Vodafone Idea.
And aviation stocks continue to be in focus as bankers look to stitch a resolution plan for Jet Airways. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 that SBI may infuse 1,500 crores and they are comfortable in buying out Etihad's stake. Jet Airways peers like InterGlobe and SpiceJet, they have been surging in trade. Both the companies gained market share in February.
Kansai Nerolac, on the other hand, sulks in trade today. CLSA downgrades its stock to sell from underperform, adds that there are demand headwinds for the company as the auto sector reels under pressure. There are reports of Maruti cutting production by 25%, which is a big concern for the company as a third of its revenues come from the auto sector.
Okay, all right, the Nifty has come off now sharply actually from the top. We're up only around 5 to around 7 points odd. Remember, today we were supposed to catch up because yesterday we were shut. The bulls were counting on building on some of that momentum at the start. But clearly, there are a few stocks that are seeing selling. HPCL, IOC, both those two OMCs, and Ultratech Cement has seen some profit taking from the top. Even Bajaj Finance now has come off the high point of the day. The mid-cap index as well as the Nifty just about holding in the green. How do you trade the Nifty from here, though? Ashwini Gujral joins us for a quick technical check. Hi, Ashwini. Good morning. Welcome back. Good to have you back. Tell us, what's the trade on the Nifty at these levels of around 11,530 odd?
See, it's fairly clear that at 10,550, the Nifty failed at higher levels and hence now has long positions trapped on the upside. My sense would be that some kind of a correction is starting out and one that could go up to 10,450, 470. So even now is a good time to take your long positions off, maybe even take short positions on. And my sense is that the market could see a 150 point style correction before it resumes the uptrend. Having said that, individual stocks, DLF is a buy with a stop of 198, target of 212. RBL Bank is a buy with a stop of 650, target of 675. And Century Textile is a buy with a stop of 905, target of 930.
Ashwini, good to have you back. Thanks a lot for your call on the Nifty as well as individual stocks. One question though is Just Dial. The stock every time it's out of F&O band sees a sharp rally. Similar is the case in the previous trading session. It's gotten out of F&O band, currently up 3.5%. Is there a trade there or maybe just stay out on account of the volatility?
See, the big trade today is to get short on everything that ran up. I don't think, the outliers will really help you a whole lot. I mean, you'll have a fairly decent fall, let's put it that way. So plan on benefiting from the fall.
All right, your disclosures?
We have short positions on Nifty.
Okay. Thanks a lot for that, Ashwini. We'll slip into a short break. Come back. We get chatting with Manish Sarda, the director at Sarda Energy, on their outlook on domestic steel prices on the other side. Keep it with Chartbusters.